Hello everyone, welcome to our TLE class, Quarter 3, Week 3, Day 2 of our lesson. Today, we are going to perform hand spa services following safety precautions. And before we proceed with our lesson, let us describe the following pictures. 1. Very good, it is hand soaked in a bowl. 2. Very good, it is stroking the hand. 3. Very good, it is opening the hand. Number 4. Very good, it is pressing and moving the fingers. Number 5. Very good, it is removing toenail cuticle using nipper. 5. Very good, it is preparing nails with nail file. Number 6. Yes, very good. It is applying nail polish on nails. Now, what is a hand spa? Hand spa is a treatment given to our hands that is performed by an expert and trained beautician. It helps relax, rejuvenate, and maintain good blood circulation in our hands. It involves nail trimming, shaping, hand soaking, scrubbing, hand massage, nail cleaning and application of nail polish. It is a special treatment applied to our fingers and hands to achieve soothing effects and ease the tiredness of our hands. Next, nail trimming. It is done by cutting our nails to our desired length and shape. Next, hand scrub. It is done to remove dust transient microorganisms in our nails, hands, and forearms. It is done after soaking your hands in warm water. Then you may use hand scrub ingredients like salt or combine coconut oil and brown sugar and use it in scrubbing your fingers, hand palm, back of the hand, and forearm to remove the dead skin cell and exfoliate your skin. Next, hand massage. It is hand manipulation applied on our fingers, hands and forearms that restores every cell of our finger and hands. It increases flexibility, improves blood circulation, and releases tension by applying simple hand strokes. Now, here are the steps in giving hand massage. 1. Greeting the hand. Hold the client's hands and clasp it gently with your hands. Hold it for about a minute until you notice that your both hands are already relaxed. It will be the initial hand contacts with your client that may create feeling of sensation and heat that may cause healing forces on the hands of your customer. 2. Stroking the hand. Holding and supporting the wrist of the client. Stroke slightly downward and upward the hand of your customer. Repeat stroking several times. Stroking is firmer to increase the flow of blood circulation and promotes a relaxing effect to the hand of the customer. 3. Open the hand. Open the palm of your client and with your thumbs gently slide it outward or sideward of your palm. Repeat the movement several times, then you may turn the hand over and repeat again the same movement on the top part of the hand. 4. Pressing and moving the fingers and thumbs, while grasping and supporting the customer's wrist. Using your thumb and point finger gently press and stretch each finger. And flex and extend each finger joint, making it more flexible. 5. Moving the wrist. Interlock your fingers with the customer's fingers. Gently move the fingers backwards and forwards, side to side, clockwise and counterclockwise. This movement is good for those who have arthritis. 6. Tapping and shaking the hands is done to complete the hand relaxing massage.